Hello, Yoga Lounge community. I'm James Knight, founder of Gentle Somatic Yoga, and I wanted to introduce myself because I'm coming to your area the first weekend in June. It's been a privilege to be invited by Jeff Ma, the owner of the Yoga Lounge Yoga Studio. He's been taking our online courses, and we've been meeting virtually for a couple of years now, talking and planning to bring Gentle Somatic Yoga to the Yoga Lounge. So the time has finally come, and I couldn't be more excited. This is my deepest passion to share these methods and techniques with you. They're very profound. They're simple and easy and reliable, adaptable for most people. And what makes it so unique compared to other popular styles of yoga is that instead of focusing on stretching muscles, we reprogram them from the level of the brain to return the optimal length to a specific anatomical focus, the length of the muscle in a resting position. So a contracted muscle is what makes us stiff, changes our posture, is where we feel soreness, maybe even pain. And even with our best efforts of chiropractic, massage, acupuncture, stretching, some of these conditions still persist. It's because the parts of our brain are actually turned off. And in our work, we call it sensory motor amnesia. It's where we temporarily have forgotten how to turn off those muscle groups. So in effect, the muscles stay contracted on autopilot, even with our best efforts to tell them to relax. So that's just in brief some of the things I'm going to be sharing with you in person. I'm teaching a Friday night class, a Saturday 2-hour workshop, and a 5-hour longer workshop called the Deep Dive. So if you're interested in learning the neuroscience, the philosophy, the history of this method, I've been one of the early pioneers. I'm blessed to be one of the early pioneers to bridge somatics and yoga in the early 1990s. Since then, I've been traveling around the world teaching gentle somatic yoga to yoga teachers, yoga therapists, body workers, and now we've really made an extra effort to make this accessible for anyone wanting to learn tools of self-care. So I hope you'll be able to come, whether you live in or near Canmore. Also, some people fly in from different parts of the world. I have gentle somatic yoga teachers coming down from the upper parts of Alberta. I can't wait to see them. So you're all welcome. If you have any questions, there's links underneath this YouTube in the description to our landing page website. And then of course, don't hesitate to reach out if you have personal questions. So in the meantime, I'm sending love and blessings, and I'm looking forward to meeting all of you very soon. Namaste.